In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a face on video in CapCut quickly and cleanly, even if you're brand new to the editor. This is a really useful technique if you want to protect someone's privacy, hide sensitive details, or just make sure a face stays anonymous in your video. And the best part is, once you learn this method, you can use it on almost any clip and make it look professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your video is already placed in the timeline. We're going to start by duplicating the layer, because that gives us a clean way to apply the blur only where we need it. Click on the video clip in your timeline so it becomes selected. Then copy it using Ctrl and C on Windows, or Command and C on Mac. Right after that, paste it using Ctrl and V on Windows, or Command and V on Mac. You should now have a duplicate of the same video. Now drag that new copy up to track 2, directly above the original clip. The goal here is to line it up perfectly so both clips stay synced the entire time. Take a second to make sure the top clip starts at the exact same point as the original. This is important because if the layers are off by even a little bit, the blur won't match the movement properly. Once the duplicate clip is in place, it's time to apply the blur effect. Go to the Effects tab in the top left menu. From there, click on Video Effects, then go into the Lens category. Look for the standard blur effect and drag it onto the top clip on track 2. As soon as you do that, you should see the blur effect applied to the duplicated layer. Next, use the slider in the right-hand panel to adjust the blur intensity. If you want a strong privacy blur, increase it a bit more. If you want something softer and less obvious, keep it lower. The key is to make the face unrecognizable while still keeping the video looking natural enough for your style. Now comes the most important part, masking the blur so it only covers the face. Select the top video clip on track 2, then look directly above the timeline toolbar and activate the mask tool. Choose the circle mask because that works really well for most faces. Once the mask appears, drag the corners and edges tightly around the face you want to hide. Try to keep the mask as precise as possible so the blur doesn't cover too much of the surrounding area. If the face stays in one place, that might be all you need. But if the person moves around in the clip, you'll want to use keyframes so the blur follows the motion. Scroll a bit in the timeline and add keyframes as the face shifts position. Then adjust the mask at different points in the video so it stays centered on the face throughout the clip. This may take a little extra time, but it makes the final result look much cleaner and more professional. After that, play the video back from the beginning and check how the blur looks. Watch for any spots where the face moves outside the mask or where the blur reveals more than you want. If needed, go back and fine-tune the mask size, blur strength, and keyframe positions until everything looks right. A few small adjustments can make a big difference in the final edit. And that's it. You've now learned how to blur a face on video in CapCut using a duplicated layer, a blur effect, a circle mask, and keyframes for movement. This is one of the easiest ways to hide a face while keeping your video polished and creator-friendly. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut editing guides, mobile editing tips, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.